Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to add brand music in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app. Once you're in, import your video. Click on Import. Now head over to the Audio tab here. Click on it. In order to upload your brand music file, click on Import. Click on Import. Once it's imported, drag the music to the timeline and place it below your video clip. Like this. Now trim the music to fit your video by dragging the edges of the clip, like this. Now adjust the volume to make sure it complements your video's main audio. Adjust the volume like this. And that's it. When you're happy with the result, export your video by clicking on Export right here. It's a simple step that can take your content to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.